Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sarwa sendoda lesi ugogo bathini mbatha. Ngani zakwethu asingagijimisini imali and forget about our families and forget about people that we love. Oftentimes, especially abantu besilisa sigijimisa imali, thatha imali yogcina yokhokhela inyanga, uthatha imali yogcina la ekhaya, wena usubhizi la ekhaya awukwazi ukuthi uthintwe umama sekhaya noma ekufuna enkonzweni esekamereni umama akakhona ngesizathu sokuthi ubaba uku treatment every time ubaba uku treatment ubaba make wasuka njena waya kugogo bathini mbathe empangeni ubaba ubuya ku treatment ubaba akasathinteki ubaba unesigubhu sakhe sikhulumisa once a week. That is too much admin ngani zakwethu, which is sometimes it's not necessary, especially into ezokwenza ukuthi ikuseparate nomuntu othandana naye, ikuseparate nengane zakho. Awusakhona ukwenza izinto nisho ingane zifuna ukuspend quality time nobaba, azikhona ingane ukwenza konke lokho. Ngisho nomuntu othandana naye imbala, even your parents kwesinye isikhathi thola ukuthi umuntu akakaganwa usahlala ekhaya besinasikhathi sakho, because all you do is to chase amashankura. It doesn't work ingane zakwethu. That's why kwesinye isikhathi uthola umuthi engazathi umuthi awusakusebenzeli, uthi wegogo mina izinto bengizenza, wegogo mina bengenza izinto zenzeka, wegogo mina bengithinta izinto ezithintekayo izinto zenzeka. But manje na ever since inganiwe ngibona ngathi into zami sezislow, noma lately in general ngibona ngathi into zami zislow. Kwenziwa yini sarwa sendoda? It's because kunabantu ababambe amagqubu, not intentionally, not because of abafuna ukubona isafara, but bayibuza ukuthi what about us, what about me as unkosikazi wakhe, what about me as girlfriend yakhe, what about me as fiance yakhe, what about me as umuntu amshelayo athi uyamthanda. Akanasi isikhathi nami umuntu eyafikelana athi angisazi noma lento kumina noma ini. Umuntu wami all he does is to chase money. All he does is to mongamtshela nje ngokuthi ngibona isarwa sendoda kunomuntu lana ukuthiwa ugogo bathini lana ku YouTube baba kwambona uzobe sekahamba. Akushiyo kwa wena umtshele ngalogogo lona in why akafuni spend quality time. Omunye athi endlela yonke all we could discuss was help esidinga kugogo bathini mbatha, but azange sibe naso isikhathi sokuthi ake sikhulume ngathi baba, what about us, what about us. Sarwa sendoda sarwa ugogo bathini thola lempangeni 082 833 4063. Ngani zakwethu masingavumi ukuthi imali ithi take over injabulo yasekhaya. Money it's not everything. Thokozani.